Okay, this is day one of the surgery. I just had it a while ago. Um, Now it's like 3:25. I did the surgery at about 1:30, I think. 1:30. Yeah, 1:30. And surprisingly, my vision is quite okay. I can see. It's definitely not clear, but it's better than when I don't have my spectacles on. And Mm, yeah, it's clear, and surprisingly, I'm not sensitive to light right now, so I can see fine. Just that I'm keeping on my sunglasses, cause just in case. But yeah, basically it's fine. There's no like big pain or anything right now. It's just like you can feel the contact lens. It's like you can feel something in a bit in your eye, but it's nothing much. It's quite good. Um, Surprisingly, it feels quite. This is not as painful as I expected, but I think it's because like they put the numbing eye drops like during the surgery itself, so I have a feeling like once the numbing eye drops they wear off, probably tonight or tomorrow morning, it will be rough. So yeah, that's what. Yeah, but I think it was okay so far. I'm quite happy with like YMC, the whole procedure. It went fine. It went smooth. So yeah, I just look forward to what my vision is like. The doctor said within 4 to 6 weeks it should stabilize. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, I'm looking forward to next week or so. Next next Tuesday. Yeah, when I'm going to take off my contacts. So yeah,